Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku with 4 stars we have here in this additional of today's newspaper. Tuesday, May the 11th, 2021. And I've told you earlier that I do or solve only four puzzles, four Sudokus. And the first one I have already solved is this one with 3 stars. Then I will do the 4 stars, one tectonic and one binary. So this one will be a number 4. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24. The 4 stars has always 24 printed digits. And if it's a really 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. All right. And 24 printed digits, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. But you cannot always say 24 is easier or more difficult than the Sudoku with 25 printed digits. Could be that this one is easier than the previous one. It depends also, are there a lot of pairs in the puzzle? All right, so let's get started. All right. So we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in the second column. So on the third column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. How about the 8 in this row, 8 in that row? So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. How about... let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We see here another 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in this column. So no 2 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. All right, 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. All right. Then. How about... Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 and an 8 in this column. So no 1 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, all right. That means we have Let me see. 2, 2, 3, 9. No. No. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes, we have a pair. 2 and a 5 in this column. 2 and a 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only two places for the 2 and a 5 should be in those two boxes. 2 and a 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. Oh, no. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. All right. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 6 and 3, I believe. 6 and 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. All right. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 9 and 4. 9 and 4. All right. 6 in this row. Last row. 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Okay. 9, 4. 3, 3. Okay, we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. We have a 9 and a 4. 9 and a 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. All right, now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 7 is missing. All right. How about... Let me see. Yeah. 2 numbers left in the second column. I believe the 4 and the 2 are missing. 4 and a 2. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. All right. So we have a 2 in this row. 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 6 are missing. 5 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. All right. How about the number 1 and 3? Yes, 3 in this third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 5, the 6, and the 9. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9 are missing in the first row. And look, we have a 9 and a 6 here in this column. So no 9 and a 6 in this box. The 9 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the first row for the number 5. All right. 8 4, 8 and 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see lucky 7. Digit number 2, number 7. All right. Then. Let me focus the camera. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 4. 5, 5, okay. 6, 6, okay. Alright. How about the 3 then? Yeah, the 3. Yeah. Okay. 9. 4, 4. 2 numbers left in this row. We have here 6 and a 5. The other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left. No, 3 numbers left. Okay, 8, 4, and the 3 is missing. Okay, 3 is missing. 3, 5, and the 6. Yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. 3 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this column. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. So we have a 3 in this column. Last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box is going to be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. All right. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 9. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in the second row. For the numbers 6 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can't be 6 anymore, that box should be a 6. And this box should be a 5. Alright, final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 here, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, 4 stars? No, I think this rather should be at 2 stars. 15 minutes. I'm pleased with the time. It's not really a 4 stars, but I like this one. Yes, did you enjoy the video? Thumbs up. Otherwise, give me a thumbs down. Yeah, you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the other 2 puzzles in this additional. There are 2 left, tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. See you later. Bye bye for now.